Hey guys, Laz here, and in this video we're going to be updating your product title. So this is one of the most important things on your Google feed pretty much because this is what people are seeing when they click on or when they search something on Google rather and see your ad pop up. So they're going to see your title. And basically you can edit values and get all crazy with this. We're going to stick to these uh, one of these core four here. But basically, you can edit values, and then there's a bunch of different things here that you can do: encrypt, round, recapitalize. You can mess with this as much as you want, but you can do. There's a little things here that you can do to just make your title better. And for that, we're going to be using the combine functionality. So what we're going to do here is basically, let's say you have a product title that isn't the best, right? Um, I believe Levi's has a pair of jeans that are called the 109 or something to that effect. And if you have a product that's just numbers, that doesn't appeal too much, especially if you're searching, if you're doing this on Google Shopping. So, in order for your ad to pop up and for your product to look appealing, we want to make it so that you know that that title is um is correct. So what we're gonna want to do here is basically add a couple things. Like let's say your brand is Levi's. So here we're gonna put brand and we're gonna select brand here. And then we're gonna put the product title. Let's say so Levi's, the title is 109 or whatever it is. I think it's just a couple numbers. So you have Levi's 109, and then it's a pair of jeans. So we can go on ahead and put jeans, and maybe we want to add the size. Uh, we will put not that. We actually want to add the field. I believe it should be in the input field. I don't know if this is gonna come up here, but we can put the size. So let's say it's the size option. So if this is all correct, obviously this is a test, so this isn't gonna be 100% correct. But if this is all correct, it should say Levi's 109 jeans and then the size option. So this is what will come up on your title as opposed to just it saying the title 109. Now this is a lot better, guys. If also, I guess, yeah, you want to make sure that you select a separator, because if not, this would just become all jumbled up if everything's all together. So we want to put a space in between these different fields, and that's good. And we want to make sure that we're covered on all the bases. So we'll go under if, and basically we want to say if title doesn't include Levi's. So if the title doesn't already include Levi's, then it will combine these things and come up with this new title. So that's just another, I guess, measure you can take here when editing your titles. So yeah, guys, there's many options here, and it's actually very simple because you can go into this title, define your brand. If you want to add like a specific word to the title, you can add that here as well. The sizing option, depending on what you're selling, really. But yeah, and just to make sure that this works, that it's correct, you can actually click right here on the preview button, and it will give you a preview of what your products will look like. So we're not selling any jeans or anything like that, so I'm not going to click preview, but basically you can click preview and it will show you what your product title will look like. So that's a great tool to have there, and just to see how everything looks and if everything is correct. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for title. Again, there's many possibilities here. You can add a ton of different things to your title, as you can see here. And there's many options, guys, so you can play around with this. It's complete, you have complete management over it, and yeah, basically you can control what the title looks like here. Alright, guys, so in the next video we're actually going to be talking about something that's really cool. And if you're advertising to many countries and you have, say, titles that you want to apply to all your different feeds, this next video is going to be very important because it's going to be how to set up specific rules, and apply them to internal fields, that which then you can apply to your channels. So we'll go on ahead and do that in the next video. So alright, guys, I hope you guys are following along just fine, and see you in the next video.